Hello everyone, I am Walt. Here we are with part 37 of 101 Ways to Feel Happy on a Daily Basis. 37 parts in, and here we are with another good one, of course. Well, I mean, I love this whole series, that's clearly why I'm shooting these and such, but yeah, I mean, like, part 37, I think that this one is, well, I say it's a good one. I'm now kind of rethinking that to some degree. This one is to eat something healthy, okay? That's like the name of the principle. But let's really talk about its effect on your happiness. When does it make you happy? When does it not? This is really kind of a good question because sometimes eating things that are healthy, it's a small change because we know healthy things are good for us. I think it depends on what you think is healthy and what your diet already is. So if you're somebody who already eats a ton of fruit or a ton of vegetables, you know, if you're eating something extra healthy, it may not be something you actually enjoy because you're already nailing it. Some people who don't have almost any fruits or vegetables, or, you know, vice versa, I suppose, they have a big quantity of one or the other, then I guess they could feel better if they eat something healthy. I guess this one just doesn't really click with me to some degree. I'm somebody who loves fruit. I have a number of apples every day. I always like go for strawberries throughout the seasons. Pomegranates are like my absolute favorite fruit. Raw pomegranates, like I slice them open and just eat them like that. That's like one of my favorites. Of course, raspberries, oh man. So I am like such a fruitivore kind of person. I love fruit. So I guess when I think about healthy eating, I don't really have to think about it. I just turn to fruit. As a vegetable guy, I'm pretty hit and miss. So I guess, I don't know, like this is a happiness principle. I'm not sure. Because it depends on what it is, I suppose. If it's something you feel like, I'm making a healthy change in my life, I'm feeling better. But I guess if you don't really care, if you're already doing things that are pretty much working, I guess it's not really that important. I really don't know what else to say about it beyond that. I mean, it's one of those things where it can work and sometimes it's just, it doesn't, you know. It's kind of a hit or miss principle, I would say. That if you guys want to eat healthy, if you want to just add a small change, don't try to eat like all vegetables all at once, you know. That's not going to work. So small change is going to be effective. If you want to make a small change for eating healthier, go ahead. If you're already eating healthy, forget this principle. I would say that's kind of a good way to go. Anyway, that's about it for this principle, so I will see you guys next time with our next video. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.